All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about how to create repeating events. So I've gone ahead on my example calendar and I've put in this meeting on Monday the 30th at 10 a.m. So now if we click on it, we go to edit event. Remember, this is where I had said in the previous video where you can do set up for repeating events. So if we click this drop down menu, you're going to see we can set this to go daily. We can set it to be weekly. We can set it to these number of options, and we can also customize it. So let's say we just wanted this meeting to occur every Monday through Friday. We could click on every Monday through Friday. All right. Now, if we click save, you're going to notice the same exact meeting exists Monday through Friday. Now, but let's say, for example, instead of that, we wanted to only have it on Monday and Thursday. Now, that would be a custom way of doing it, right? So we're going to go to custom, and whereas right now it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're only going to do it on Monday and Thursday. So we want to unselect Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, this down here where it says ends gives you the option of choosing an end date. So you could say this is going to happen every week, for example, for 13 weeks. Okay, so for the next 13 weeks on your calendar, you're going to have this meeting set every Monday and Thursday. You could say never, which means unless you edit it, you're always going to have those meetings for the rest of your calendar's life. But you can also pick a specific date. Maybe you only have these through the end of the school year. So let's say, for example, our school year, I believe, still ends on June 3rd. So I could say, okay, once the school year is over, I don't have these meetings anymore. All right. You could also do this monthly, but we're just going to leave it like this. So every week it happens on Monday and Thursday. So remember how previously it said Monday through Friday. Now when I save this, now when you change an event, it's going to give you this, where it's going to say, do you want to edit all events or simply this one and the ones that come after it? This is our first event. We can just say all events. And we're going to hit save. And now you'll see that this meeting occurs only on Monday and Thursday. So that's how you create a repeating event. One last thing to talk about if we go back into editing is that you can add a description. So let's say we're giving an example description. Now when I save this, it's going to ask me again, what this means is, do I want to add this description only to this specific instance on this week of this meeting? Do I want to add this description to this and all of the ones that come after it? Or do I want to add this description to every single time that this meeting has occurred, even the ones that have happened in the past? I'm going to say this and all following events. That way, the same description for this event occurs, and you'll notice now that I have a description, it'll show up here, right? Happens on my Monday one, and it happens on my Thursday one. So that's how you set up a repeating event in Google Calendar.